I'll show you how you can get $50 off on PrizePicks. Now, all you have to do is go to prizepicks.com right there, and you can see if you play $5, you get $50 instantly, just like that, right? Now, this is the $50 promo code that I'm talking about. If you want to claim your $50 now, you just have to sign up or log in. Remember, it's for new users, so just click on this button to claim your $50 now. You can scroll down some here if you want to see in the website some more, but there's also other promos here like recurring promos, PrizePick promo codes, reboots, Taco Tuesday, Flex Friday, and also a referral code. If you get a referral code from your friend, this is where you would put them in. Besides the $50 promo, let's check out on the other one like recurring promos here. For example, there's Flex Friday, Taco Tuesday, time to hit the lab. See, you can see, get $50 instantly when you play your first $5 lineup. You can use this code MAXBONUS to get it. Now you can see, you can also join their Discord if you want. There's promos code here like PrizePicks promo code as well. There's reboots as well. You can see, again, MAXBONUS, claim your $50 now. Promos code out there, like if you want a referral code, you can go here as well. You see, this is what you can find on your referral code. You can follow these guidelines right here. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.